Hi, I'm going to announce the winner for the Knit Crate yarn giveaway. The website for Knit Crate is listed down below. To be a member is $24.95 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. And this is the website here. If you sign up under me, you can use the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. All of the information is listed down below. Also on Amazon, I have 2 books for sale on Kindle, also on paperback on the Crochet for Beginners. That's listed down below. You can type in my name, Amy Lehman, and you'll find it right on Amazon. And then my Etsy store has mugs and one bag with 3 different sizes, and mugs have 2 different sizes. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Deborah Perkins, congratulations. I have 3/4 of a slipper completed. That is beautiful alpaca product. Congratulations. All you need to do is my email is listed down below, and email me with your address and I'll send it out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. I will have these giveaways at least a couple times a month, so look out for them. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube, but sponsored by Knit Crate. Thank you for watching.